Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that's near and dear to many of you, salaries. Specifically, I'm going to be focusing on the salaries at Bread Financial in Bangalore. Now, I know what you're thinking. Bread Financial? Who's ever heard of them? Well, let me tell you a little bit about this company. Bread Financial is a relatively new company, but they've already made a name for themselves in the financial services industry. They offer a variety of products and services, including credit cards, loans, and savings accounts. And they're committed to providing their customers with excellent service and competitive rates. So, what does this mean for the salaries at Bread Financial? Well, I can tell you that they're pretty good. In fact, according to Glassdoor, the average salary for an employee at Bread Financial in Bangalore is around 1 million Indian rupees per year. This is significantly higher than the average salary in India, which is around 400,000 Indian rupees per year. Of course, the actual salary you'll earn at Bread Financial will depend on a number of factors, such as your experience, education, and position. But even entry-level employees can expect to earn a decent salary. In addition to the base salary, Bread Financial also offers a number of other benefits to its employees, such as health insurance, dental insurance, vision insurance, life insurance, disability insurance, 401k retirement plan, stock options, tuition reimbursement, paid time off, flexible work schedule, and much more. So, if you're looking for a high-paying job with a great company, Bread Financial might be the right place for you. Of course, there are other factors to consider when choosing a job, such as the company's culture and values. But if you're looking for a company that offers competitive salaries, excellent benefits, and a great work environment, Bread Financial is definitely worth considering. Now, I know I've been talking a lot about the salaries at Bread Financial, but I also want to talk about the company's culture. Bread Financial is a very innovative and fast-paced company. They're always looking for new ways to improve their products and services. This means that employees have a lot of opportunity to learn and grow. Bread Financial is also a very supportive company. They encourage their employees to take on new challenges and to think outside the box. They also provide employees with a lot of training and development opportunities. Overall, Bread Financial is a great place to work. If you're looking for a challenging and rewarding career, I encourage you to apply for a job at Bread Financial today. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay safe and healthy.